Hi, what's going on? My name is Anant, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fetch any information from your Google spreadsheet and send it to your customer. For example, let's say a customer has placed an order and that order is associated with the customer's number. Then you can fetch all the information about that order from a specific Google spreadsheet and send it to the customer. Let me give you an example for that. So if you see over here, I have a customer, I have his name, number, email, order ID, order name, and the price, right? What he have paid for it. So a customer can come to me and ask me, hey, can you tell me more about my order? Or he want to fetch his order details, right? Then you can find the customer just by his number and then fetch everything about that customer from a Google spreadsheet, right? So let's just do that in action. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a message as I want to fetch my order details, and I hit enter, and let's see. Your order ID is 998. My order name is WhatChimp t-shirt and the pricing is $15. Let's just confirm that. We are getting exactly that from the Google spreadsheet. Now I'm going to show you how do we build this. But before I go ahead and start building it, I'm going to give you a quick preview of what's coming, how to quickly build that. If you don't have much time to spend on watching the entire video, I'm going to just quickly take you through how to do this. And otherwise, you can follow the entire video to build that for yourself. So very quickly, I'm going to show you what I did here. Number one is I connected my Google spreadsheet account from here. So you need to go to settings, then go to your sign in with Google and connect your Google account. Now, once you have connected your Google account, make sure you connect any spreadsheet. So I created this spreadsheet and I connected it over here. So to connect that, you just need to click on add existing sheet, select your Gmail account, and then copy the ID from here. So what I just did is I copied the ID, pasted over here, and I connected my order details spreadsheet successfully with WhatChimp. Now, once you do that, what you need to do is go back to your settings and then go to Google Sheet Data Fetch, right? Go to Google Sheets Data Fetch, click on that, right? Now here you can create a new campaign, which is what I just created over here. So let me just click on edit just to show you what I did here. So I named the campaign as fetch, and then I selected the spreadsheet as order details. And then I wanted to search my order details by the number of customer. So if the customer's number is, whatever is, the number, then I want to fetch everything against it. So this is exactly what I did. I verified it and then I created a chatbot. And then in the chatbot, let me just show you. In that chatbot, I am using that Google Data Fetch campaign to fetch all the details about customer and send it to customer. So this is what exactly what we did. And in the video today, I'm going to show you how do we do this, right? Like step by step. So don't worry if you got overwhelmed, because now I'm going to slowly take you through everything and show you how this happens. All right, so what I just did right now is disconnected everything, deleted everything which I did right now so that I can do everything from scratch to show you how exactly we build this chatbot. So the first thing, like I said, we need to do is go ahead and connect your Google spreadsheet. For this, I need to go to Google Sheet, sign in with Google, which is what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to sign in with my Google quickly over here, continue, and continue. Now, once you're logged in with your Google, let's come back to WhatChimp and then connect our spreadsheet. So this is our spreadsheet and I want to connect this. So I just need to copy this ID from here. This ID, which is between D and edit. And I click on add existing sheet. I copy the ID over here and then I select my Google account. So I'm going to click on save and I have successfully added my new sheet which says order details. Now, since we have 3 custom fields, which is order ID, order name, and order and the price, what I want to do is I want to first go ahead and create these as a custom field inside WhatChimp, so that in future we are able to map everything with WhatChimp. So let's see how to do this. Go back, go to manage subscribers, click on manage, and click on manage custom fields. Now over here I need to create three custom fields: order ID, order name, and price. So the first thing is going to be order ID. The type is going to be text. Save it. Second, I'm going to create order name. Again, the type is going to be text. And third, I'm going to create price, and again the type is going to be text. So I've created three custom variables now. Now what I need to do is go back to my settings again, and instead of using Google Sheet, now I'm going to go to Google Sheet data fetch. So we click on Google Sheet data fetch over here, and then I'm going to name this as fetch order details. And then here I need to connect my correct Google Sheet. So I'm going to select my spreadsheet, which is order details, and it will automatically give me an option where it says, how do you want to search that customer information? By their number, by their email, or by any other key? So right now we want to search that customer by their number. Anytime they reach out to me, I'm going to fetch their number, and then I'm going to search by their number. And number is something which we'll get anyways whenever somebody sends a message, right? So it's the easiest thing to do. So we want to fetch them by their number, and then I want to assign those values, which is order ID, order name, and price, to WhatChimp custom field. So we have three fields over here. So I'm going to create three fields by clicking on map data. And the first thing I want to map is order ID with the order ID. Second thing is order name with the order name. And third is going to be the price with the price over here. And we click on verify connection. So we have successfully created our bot. Now we need to go to our bot manager, click on create, and we create our chatbot with a keyword, let's say order details. So anytime somebody sends a message that contains the word order details, we want to send them the message. So let me just name this as fetch order details, and I'm going to save it. Now what I need to do is search for the customer's order ID using Google Sheet data fetch. So I'm going to click on Google Sheet data fetch. I'm going to use the exact bot that we just created. I'm going to click on save. Now I'm going to send the message. So the message is order ID, and then I will pass on the order ID, order name, I will pass on the order name, and the price, I will pass on the price, and I save it here, and that's it. Now when I send a message, something like this, which says I want to fetch my order details, let's just send that and see what are we getting. Order ID, and let's say I update something over here. Let's say I just make it $20 now, right? Now when I try to do this, send a message, as you can see over here, the pricing gets updated. So on the real time, as you keep updating anything over here, things will get updated on the WhatsApp as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.